We're on the verge of World War III, and there's another new COVID variant, but we have some good news. You can now make yourself a cat in Zoom without requiring a third-party application. In this video, I'll show you how. Hi, this is Dr. Benfinio, and it's been a while since I've made a Zoom video after making nearly 100 of them in the first year or so of the pandemic. If you are still using Zoom and would like to check out some of those tutorials, you can find the playlist linked in the description below this one. I figured it was worth making another video for this exciting update. In a viral moment back in 2021, a lawyer somehow got a cat filter stuck on in Zoom and could not figure out how to turn it off. This, of course, set off a quest for people to figure out how to get that same filter since the ability was not built into Zoom. You could do this with various third-party camera plugins like Snap Camera, and the specific filter that lawyer had was actually from an even older piece of Dell software. I made a couple videos at the time showing you how to do that. Again, you can find those linked in the description below this video. But the good news is that Zoom has their priorities straight, and they have now added this feature natively built into Zoom. You can access it the same way you access various other video filters and effects in Zoom, like the virtual background feature that a lot of people started having fun with earlier in the pandemic. You just move your mouse down to the lower left corner of the screen, click the little up arrow next to the stop video button, and then select either choose virtual background or choose video filter. Somewhat strangely, they haven't given its own option here in this menu yet, but then in the video that pops up, you have tabs for virtual background, video filters, and avatar, which you can see is now in beta, and you can select from a range of different animals here. For example, a cat with a hoodie or a cat with a shirt. So I'm just going to select the cat with the shirt. It takes a second to load, and then it will give you a preview of your avatar where it fully replaces you, including your background and your body. So it's different from those other videos where it was a filter just kind of putting a mask over your face. And you can now close this out, and you see I have been replaced by an avatar of a cat that is actually doing a decent job tracking my head and my facial expressions. So it is blinking when I blink. It opens its mouth when I open my mouth, so and it even actually tracks my eyebrows. Not quite sure about my ears there, and you can't see right now, I am waving my arms around, but it is not tracking my hand motion. But again, it is doing a pretty good job tracking my head and facial expressions. So if at any point you would like to turn the avatar off or switch to one of Zoom's other video effects, you can go down here to select turn off avatar, and then again you can go back into here to do something like choose a virtual background or add one of the various filters. If you do not have the avatar option here, you may need to make sure you have upgraded to the latest version of Zoom or asked an admin to enable the feature for your account if you can't do that yourself. I'm going to try out the cow here, and again you can see how it's tracking my head, mouth, eye, and a little bit of, oh wow, it even, if I wiggle my jaw side to side, it moves its jaw too. Crazy. Anyway, so well, I'm sure many people will just use this to prank coworkers or screw around in online classes. Zoom does have some practical suggestions on their website for cases you might want to use this. For example, a pediatric telehealth visit when you might want to make things a little less intimidating for a kid. So there are some practical uses for it, even if I'm sure most people will just use it to screw around. And finally, let's find out if you can combine these different visual effects. So if I go into this menu here, you'll see that Choose Video Filter is grayed out and not available while using an avatar. So you can't put makeup on the cow, for example. However, you can still choose a virtual background. So if you want to have a cow in front of the Golden Gate Bridge or another picture that you've taken yourself, you can do that. Alright, thanks for watching if you've made it this far. Again, I have not been making as many Zoom videos lately, but I don't think Zoom is ever really going to go away at this point, so if you have a question, a comment, or a suggestion for another tutorial, as always, please go ahead and leave a comment below this video. Thank you.